I feel like I've known you guys so long now, and that we've been traveling together for months.
It really does, yeah. It feels like it's like, I don't know, just like she's been one of the like part of the Yuujou Travellight, like full on.
Two teams of 3 creative people each will start in Berlin and travel in opposite directions. One team goes east, the other one goes west. They want to make it to the other side of the world, Japan, only by traveling from one friend to another.
Well, we made it to Odessa and on our way to a place I can't pronounce to get the ferry to Georgia. So still a long way to go. Not tears, but a lot of sweat and stress to get the tickets. And the funny thing is, we tried to book a line, it's not working. We phoned them like, no, you can't do it anymore, the ticket is closed, you can't book it anymore. And we're like, screw that, we are going anyway. So we just showed up and managed to get those damn tickets.
That's our boat, guys.
So we, crossed the Black Sea on a cargo ship. How do I feel? Really good. Super excited to meet this Travellight girl. We've been chatting a little bit and she seems really cool, and so she'll be coming in tomorrow, which will be fun.
All right, we have made it to Batumi. So this is the town we're gonna be meeting our host in Georgia. It is way bigger than I expected. Seems like a lot's going on and I cannot wait to be on that beach. I've been waiting about, it's day 47 now to find a beach, and so I'm super excited.
We met like people from the Yuujou community. We just created like a whole table with people from like Yuujou.
This is Juliana, and we have more friends here. With our chat with our new friend Laila and Hannah.
Hi, I'm Gabby. We were in a Faha class here, and Faha is really good. It has potential to Faha.
Okay, like wow.
I'm really getting into the local culture and really getting to speak with the locals and being with the locals.
Okay, it's like a shot.
No, a little.
You? Ah, that's it. That's how much I have to drink.
Sweat it. Keep going, trust me.
Trust me.
I already. It's hectic, yeah. What is it?
Swallow it quickly.
Say something.
It's terrible and the topic like
Best experience.
You can see the history of Brasília.
Você é fofa.
My name is Bárbara. I'm living at Brasília. I am journalist and a filmmaker.
If this was the last chance to tell her something, what would you say to her?
Carry on, be confident.
Let me think about why Mathieu told me to be confident, because actually I'm not a very confident person. So this is very hard to me. Oh, sorry.
No. I can really, oh my god. You.
No, it's okay.
Oh, no, but it's cute, you know?
What do you like about her?
She's always happy and has good sense of humor.
I'm sending you to Laura. She is my interner and very cool girl.
My name is Laura Gotti. I study at the University of Brasília. I study museology, and I work here at the French Alliance as a web designer.
We are about to meet Jordan, the Travellight. She is getting off her train around 1, so we are at Batumi Central waiting for her now. Jordan? Hey! How are you doing?
Hello everyone, I am Jordan. I'm from Miami, Florida, USA, and I am a travel YouTuber. I've been traveling the world full-time for 3.5 years now.
Jordan is really cool, so it's cool getting to meet someone else new. She has her projects, we have our projects, and now she's working on our project with us.
What does friendship mean to me? I think that it means to me just someone that you can connect with and talk to and be relaxed around.
That is good though.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
So good.
Thank you.
Wow.
We ordered one, but she was very nice and wanted to give us two. So yes, so it's her shop and everything, which was very cool. Yeah, and now we're gonna have some fun.
Tamara here made it.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye, Daco.
Bye bye.
Amerika.
Yeah.
Amerika tam şey.
I guess I had bad cards.
We are in bazaar and there's a lot of fruit and veggies and it's amazing, and all the spices, all the colors. It's so cool. It's lovely.
I'm sending you guys to a friend of mine whose name is Danny Moore. Now he works as a researcher at the Emílio Gueldi Museum in Belém do Pará.
How long you been in the bus?
24 hours now.
And 12 to go.
12 to go.
When we left Brasília, I kind of had a weird headache. And during the bus ride, the 35 hours bus ride, it got worse and worse. It was when I moved or when I bent forward, my head felt like it was exploding. It was pumping. We got to Belém and it was so bad that I called kind of an emergency call in Switzerland, and they told me that I should see a doctor. We were at the hospital, we arrived there, and the first thing I got, like maybe 30 minutes after I was there, I got an injection, and the crazy thing was that I had no idea what they give me.
What I don't understand is why they first put in something and then they take blood.
I didn't get it too. So the hospital that I go, they take the blood test.
First,
My name is Melissa. I live in Belém. Right now I'm a bartender and I work in a hostel. The one that she got sick, not in the hostel, but I had to translate what she's feeling to the doc because nobody here speaks English, which is pretty bad. So hey guys, let's learn. And that's it. You're feeling okay?
You're a lifesaver.
Oh, am I?
Our project is about friendship. I will be your friend for the rest of my life.
And this is like a weird thing, like when you're in a country and you're so vulnerable because you don't know what is going on and you can't really do something because you don't speak their language. You just trust a stranger, like in this situation, a stranger called Melissa. You just trust a stranger that she is taking care of you. So yeah, day 50, halftime, worst day of the trip so far. I do feel better. I still wake up and I have a headache, and that never happens to me. I don't wake up with a headache. So I still think that there is something left, but I hope it will get better and better.
Excuse me, I just wanted to check on your state of health. Is it intestinal or what?
No, it's my head.
It's just your head, okay. My name is Danny Moore. I'm 74 years old. My occupation is a professional linguist, a researcher in Amazonia.
I wasn't expecting to come into the Ministry of Technology today. I'm learning a lot of indigenous area stuff. It's good, it's good. I feel like intellectual today.
Study indigenous languages, and there's something like 150 indigenous languages in Brazil. It's a lot of languages, you know?
We actually speak like this.
I'm Danny, such a cool guy, 78. He's having a kid now, which is really exciting. He can speak some traditional languages here, which is really awesome. So we learned a lot from him.
And it's a comfortable place to live, at least for me. I'm of the school of thought that says you go to the field to be comfortable, you know, and so I eat well. And you know, have good lighting, and go swimming, and have a lot of friends, and do things, and it's a very nice experience for me.
Got some of the mineral water straight out of the spring here, and it is really warm, really sulfury, irony, metallic. Honestly, maybe the worst tasting water I've ever had in my life, but it's supposed to be really healthy and fresh and clean, and so yeah, that's what they do here. Yeah, flour, dough,
and mita,
kebab,
and hot water.
Kinkali.
Kinkali, yes.
Yeah,
yes.
Kinkali. We're trying to make it. Yeah.
My English.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Gonna making some potato kinkali.
Oh, this is gonna be so good.
Yeah.
And that was really fun because first you make the dough, and then you put the meat in it, and then you fold it. Like this is a special technique to make it like this little bag. And I actually was really good at it. I really enjoyed it and loved it. I was like, we should do this in every country. We should go in every country and make one dish.
Oh my gosh, this one. That one is Jordan's.
Oh, very good.
Oh yeah.
It's like fish.
It's like fish.
They're ready to eat. Now we can't wait to try them. Yes.
Are they good? So good.
Today is the last day with Jordan, and that's really sad. We had so much fun together. Those 5 days went so quick.
So you're a long-term traveler. Do you sometimes feel a bit lonely?
Yes. I do, because it can be very isolating traveling and always having to say so many goodbyes. I think especially with social media, like people seem so present in your life, and you really just want that real connection. You want to actually be at the coffee shop with someone in person and just talk, maybe about nothing, like not some big conversation, but just talk and hang out, and that can be missing a lot of the time.
Yeah, we have made it to the airport. This is our last couple minutes with Jordan, so
yeah,
it has been an incredible week. I mean, like, it's been so much fun.
I feel like I've known you guys so long now, and that we've been traveling together for months.
It really does, yeah. It feels like it's like, I don't know, just like she's been one of the part of the YouTuber Travellight, like full on.
And we've gotten along so well. Yeah. Like Paula and I sit for coffee while Joey talks and talks and talks.
Yeah.
We all just, there was never a moment that I felt like, on the third wheel or anything. Like I was kind of worried, not worried, but you guys have been traveling together so long. Yeah. But I felt like I knew you just effortlessly.
Yeah, you too. So glad.
Cool. See ya. Oh my gosh, it was amazing, and I really hope it works out for you moving here. That would be incredible.
Yeah, that'll be awesome.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
I will be this year.
So yeah.
Make me sad. Happy and sad at the same time. Okay.
Bye. Not goodbye.
Yeah.
Have a safe flight. Safe travel.
Attention please. Passengers traveling on Qatar Airways.
All right, so it is 6 in the morning. Our new travel buddy is showing up in about 20 minutes. So we're gonna head out to the airport now, go pick him up, see who it is. Super excited. We have no idea. All right, so any second now, next person's gonna come right through.
That gate right there.
Where are they gonna come from?
I think they come from London. Is that what you mean? I'm getting so nervous, like sweating.
That's a backpacker. That's not our girl.
Or whatever it's gonna be.
I'm super excited to meet my team. Super happy, super honored to be a part of Yuujou team. And yeah, I can't wait. It is happening.
Oh, he knows how to let us wait. So no. I think we saw her. I'm pretty sure. I think it's Renata.
I think we just saw her. I think that was our first sight of our new travel buddy. It looked
Follow our journey on Yuujou.
And don't forget to subscribe.
If you want to see more, click here.
Or here.